Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with this car. This is the OPEL MOKKA Facelift with hybrid 145 powertrain. Now let's start with the design itself. You can see the eye-catching color. It's called COLIBRY blue, and then the facelifted version has got the new front here. You can see the lovely integration of the new Opel visor, new Opel Blitz, and then the IntelliLux matrix LEDs on the model in our video that has the ultimate trim. So you have Edition, GS and Ultimate. This is the top of the line trim, and then we move on to the side. 4 meters 15 centimeters is the length of the car. 18-inch wheels with diamond cut finish for the model in our video. And now let us move on to the rear. I will unlock it. You see the slim taillights, distinctive look on the road, and also one detail that I really love is the fact that we have the 2 exhaust pipes here on the right side, and they are the real ones. Hybrid lettering. In order to open the tailgate, first you need to press this and then open dual floor, 350 liters of space. And now we are ready to start the drive. So the car locks when you go away, and then when you approach it with the key, it unlocks. Here is how it looks from inside. Before we check the view from driver's perspective, let me just show you those seats. They are really, really comfortable. Welcome to the driver's view here in the OPEL MOKKA Facelift. Now press the start button, car comes to life, and let's put on the seatbelt, and we are ready. Put it to drive, and off we go. We will start with the specifications of this model. So it is the hybrid 145. What does that mean? So it combines the 1.2 liter turbo petrol unit, electrified dual clutch automatic transmission with 21 kilowatt electric motor and 48 volt battery. Combined system output is 145 horsepower, 230 newton meters of torque. 8.2 seconds is the time to reach 100, and the top speed is 209 kilometers per hour. And in today's video we are going on a nice relaxed night drive, so I hope you will enjoy it. And we are now in the city. As you can see, we've had some rain a few minutes before. But yeah, now let's mention the other powertrain options. So the entry one is the 1.2 liter turbo petrol unit producing 136 horsepower paired with the 6-speed manual. Then you have this hybrid 145, and the third option is the electric version with 54 kilowatt hour battery, a 156 horsepower electric motor, and just a bit over 400 kilometers of all-electric range by WLTP cycle. So those are the 3 options. Tell me in the comments what would be your choice. And now the layout here in front of us, the dual 10-inch screens, and this screen is tilted towards the driver, so you have the nice driver-oriented cockpit. And by the way, the navigation with the lovely view, the 3D view of the buildings, and you can see it if camera is catching it. Looks very nice indeed. And both the driver's display and the main touchscreen can be customized, so you can adjust various views. Currently I have different options here for the views, and I've set it up myself within these settings. Same goes for the pages here on the main touchscreen. So you see when I'm changing, we have different pages and different widgets that I already adjusted, before the drive, so you can play with this and set the widgets that you use the most in the areas where you prefer them. So very, very convenient. And what is also convenient is that you have AC on switches. So the standard switches, the easiest way to do it, you adjust the air blower here in the middle, and then also the temperature on those. You can also have the AC controls here if you prefer it that way, but yeah, in my opinion this is the best solution. There is this energy flow view where you can see how the system is working, and also now I will show you the drive modes. So the car has got 3 drive modes. You can adjust them and change them here by pressing the button. So let's now go to sport mode. You see that the theme changes to red, and also we have the pronounced sound in the sport mode. You can turn it on or off. Currently I have it on. I think it's quite cool. Next up, normal mode, and also eco mode. Now you will see green theme, of course, on the screens. The steering wheel has got the new design, flat bottom, and the physical buttons. And by the way, the beeping sound that you heard is the overspeed warning. So every time you go just a bit over the speed limit, you have this beeping sound, but it's easy to turn it off because there is the physical button here for driver assist systems, and then here we have it on shortcuts. Excessive speed warning, that's it. Now it's turned off. And I love the sound in sport mode. The ride is very comfortable. You have the lovely seats that really make the drive very smooth, and also additional plus is that you have the massage. So just press the button here, and now I turn it on, and sort of like the waves, and it's really relaxing. Now one of the views that I've set here is for the RPMs, and you can see now it says 0, and now we have 2300 and so on. So the electric part of things is very pronounced here on this hybrid powertrain. So this is the, again, 48-volt hybrid, but electric side of it, the things is pronounced, and yeah, you can drive with just electric power. So RPM 0, and now we have quite a heavy rain. And let me show you this: when I release the throttle, the car recuperates the energy, so it's slowing down. I'm not touching the brake now. You see also here the charge meter. This is now falling really heavily. Alright guys, and that's pretty much it. It's time to finish the video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and see you on the next one. Bye bye.